I started this Coca-Cola so you can try my sportscast with this new light, with this new globe for the light. Let me fix the camera. Don't mind my dad, he's just talking out there. It's incandescent, nice ribbed glass clear globe. I never had a globe with it. Came with screws and everything except for the globe and the down rod. But the canopy was with it, even though it didn't have a down rod, which was just stupid. But here's the light. And here's the low speed. It's force sinking in for some reason. What the hell? Yeah, right here. Force sinking in. It's kind of weird. Anyway. But hold on, let me get this off so I'm not weighing it down anymore. Okay. So low speed's gone faster because I put a new cap in it. Here it is with the light off. It looks pretty cool with the light off. Like it a lot. Just a little buzzy. Your medium speed with the light off. It wobbles a lot because the box up there is pretty loose. Here's high speed. Yeah, it wobbles a lot. The blade pitch is good. I fixed the blade pitch. It just wobbles because of that stupid box up there. It's pretty loose. Yeah, this is my new AC too. This AC is very awesome. Anyway, do the spin down.
So the next step then is
No, spin down. Fuck the spin down.